student. Today we are going to learn about the second application of UCM, that is called to be wall of death, wall or well of death. In this particular application, we are going to find out the expression for V minimum, that is the safest minimum velocity we are going to find out. Now first of all you have to understand what we mean by globe of wall of death or well of death. Now here we have taken one example. The example is of a spinning drum. The drum is spinning like this. It is spinning. The drum is spinning. Now inside the drum there is one person is there. You can see the head of this person and the legs of this particular person. When it is spinning, so we have to check which are the forces will going to act on the person. So the first force which will going to act, that is a weight of the person which will going to act downward. Now exactly on top of it, one force will going to act, that is force of friction. But here one force which will going to act towards the center, that is nothing but that is normal. Why it is normal? Because you can see that it is perpendicular to the person. Okay, so it is actually towards the center. Now here when we see this particular object, cylindrical object from top, so we are going to look it, we are going to see somewhat like this. We are going to see the head of the person, okay, and the person is moving along the circumference of the circle, and here obviously the normal will going to act towards the center. Now in order to find out the V minimum, we have to draw certain diagram. According to that only we can find out the V minimum. Now we are going to consider a cylinder like this. Cylindrical object. Any object is kept here. Okay. So the first force of the object which will going to act, that will be downward. That is the weight of an object. The another force which will going to act exactly opposite to the weight of an object, that is a force of friction, Fs. Then another force that will going to act towards the center, that is normal, and the object is moving like this inside the cylinder with respect to horizontal circle. That's why it is said to be the application of UCM. Cylinder is vertical, but the object is moving in a horizontal circle. So by looking at the diagram, what we can see that we can balance the equation. The first equation what we are going to get, that is Fs is equal to mg. That is Fs is trying to balance with mg. Okay. Now you will see that normal is towards the center. That means normal is trying to balance with centripetal force, that is mv square upon r. So this is nothing but this is my centripetal force. Okay, so it is trying to balance with the normal. Now it is said to be that the force of friction, is always less than or equal to mu s n. For this particular expression, it is always less than or equal to mu s n. So therefore when I am writing like this, so you can see that Fs is equal to mg from this equation, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. It is less than equal to mu s mv square upon r. So I have substituted for n from here and substituted for fs from here. Okay. So that's why m and m will go to get cancelled. Remaining will be g is less than equal to mu s v square upon r. Since we want the expression for velocity, so we're going to keep velocity on the left side and everything will go on the right side. So therefore, we can write down that v square is greater than equal to rg upon mu s. Okay, rg upon mu s. So here we want the expression for v minimum. Therefore, I can write down that v minimum is equal to under root of rg upon mu s. So this is the expression we required. That is v minimum is equal to under root of rg upon mu s. This is called to be the safest velocity, safest minimum velocity. Fine. So in this expression, this only you have to find out. Here we are going to get this as minimum because here fs is also minimum. Thank you very much.